As a female entrepreneur, you may feel like there is no way to get the funding and support you need. But the truth is that women entrepreneurs are now better off than ever before. The number of female-owned businesses has grown by more than 600% in the last 3 decades, according to the most recent data from the Center for Women's Business Research, CWBR. This growth has created an increased demand for business loans specifically tailored to meet their needs. Let's explore your options and show you how these new opportunities can help make your dream a reality. 1. Traditional loans. Of course, the typical approach is to apply for a traditional loan at your local bank and credit union. These institutions have been funding female entrepreneurs for some time now. But as women-owned businesses continue to grow, this sector of lending options has expanded as well. In addition to traditional loans, banks and credit unions are now offering more flexible business loans. For instance, the Seattle-based Alliance Credit Union offers a $5,000 loan that is specifically designed for women entrepreneurs. It requires no collateral or financials to qualify, but comes with an 18% interest rate. On the other end of the spectrum is the San Francisco-based Golden Gate Women's Financial Group, which recently announced a $150 million fund for female-owned businesses. Many women entrepreneurs are also turning to alternative lenders who focus their business loans on small or female-owned businesses. These may include peer-to-peer lending sites like Prosper and Lending Club, which was featured in the movie The Social Network. Others, such as Ken Capital and Kabbage, focus on providing funding for different types of business needs. This includes short-term loans that can be used to fund inventory and payroll, while also allowing you to tap into your credit lines for future spending. 2. Grants. For some women entrepreneurs, a loan is simply not the right choice. This is where grants come into play. According to a recent report from FitSmallBusiness.com, grants are proving to be especially popular with female business owners. As they have in traditional lending options, banks and credit unions are also increasing their focus on grant offerings for small businesses. The First National Bank of Long Island, for example, recently announced a new grant program that focuses on funding women and minority-owned businesses. In addition to banks and credit unions, the organizations like the U.S. Women's Chamber of Commerce and the National Association of Women Business Owners, NAWBO, provide grants to female business owners every year. 3. SBA loans. While the Small Business Administration, SBA, does not offer grants, it does provide a loan guarantee program that could help women entrepreneurs get started. In particular, the SBA offers a program for women's business development, PWBD, that provides loans ranging from $10,000 to $1.5 million. Like traditional SBA loans, these are meant to be used for acquiring or renovating a commercial property and buying equipment. They can also be used to start a business or buy a franchise. The SBA also offers microloan programs for owners of very small enterprises with limited access to funding. Once again, these loans are designed to help fund the purchase of equipment or inventory, as well as working capital and renovations. There is no easy way to find out if you qualify. The SBA site advises you to contact your local lender or state-level agency for more information. 4. Alternative lenders. As we have already discussed, alternative lenders can be a great option for business owners who might not qualify for traditional loans. But even if they do qualify, these types of lenders may be able to provide better rates and terms. Granted, they don't always give out small loans with minimal interest rates or require no collateral. But many of these lenders offer a wide range of loan amounts and terms, which means you can pick and choose the ones that best suit your business needs. 5. Peer-to-peer lending sites. While you can use sites like Prosper and Lending Club to get a business loan, they are also used by individual investors who might be interested in lending. You don't have to go with an individual investor, of course. Many of these sites offer the ability to look for institutional investors, which can give your business a lot of financial breathing room. These types of sites are also ideal for consumers who may not want to deal with traditional lenders like banks and credit unions. Again, these sites don't offer the lowest interest rates in town. But they do provide a quick and easy way to get your hands on some cash for your business. Women entrepreneurs face several challenges when it comes to starting and running their own business. From funding to finding the right people for your team, many obstacles can stand in the way. And while some women might be more successful than others at overcoming these hurdles, you don't have to do this alone. Let us help take some stress off your plate by partnering with you on SEO or marketing strategies that will drive sales and grow your company into something great. In conclusion, women face more difficulties in running a business than men. Thus, they must have a better understanding of the financial aid and support available to help with their businesses. The above information outlines several tips and ideas that might be able to help you on your road to success. Even if you have an average credit score, don't automatically rule out government grants or scholarships as a possibility. Many foundations and non-profit organizations have been established to assist female entrepreneurs in all kinds of different areas. Even if you don't qualify for traditional loans, there are still sometimes grants available. The point is, don't ignore any opportunity that might be available to you. While it's always best to understand your financial situation before accepting any offers of funding, there are many ways for women entrepreneurs to get the support they need. Business loans for women are encouraged by the fact that more women are starting their own businesses. This lends hope due to the confidence of the entrepreneur in that they see there is an opportunity for them in what used to be male-dominant industries. However, funding remains one major obstacle for most women pursuing this prospect. Therefore, it is important for women entrepreneurs to understand the various types of business loans available to them. So don't wait. Go out there and get started on your new business venture with the knowledge that you won't be alone in your journey. Good luck, entrepreneur.